Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm here with a purchase order share from Junk Journal Johni, and it's her Junk Journal shop on Etsy. I will link it down below, and I have pre-opened it but I haven't looked in it. I love this. That's a project. We all know that as crafters, everything we get in the mail that we keep. And then here's a manila envelope that it came in. Oh, I purchased this at one of her live sales, and like they say, camera doesn't do it justice. I bought a botanical kit from her. Let's see. Oh, and she's got it all portioned out for me. So there's this page. Let me move this down. There is the leaves. Here's this one. This one. There's some words written at the top, but I can't really read them. These are gorgeous. I see a botanical. Something coming up soon. This one. This one's good. And these, I think, are on rice paper or something. If I'm mistaken, Johnny, will you put it in the comment section? Oh, I like this one. When I seen this on her videos, it's like, what? I just had to have that one. So that's that pack. And then we go to this one. And this one looks like it's for a journal. Okay. So you got that page. You got this one. This is a signature. You can put it as a signature in a junk journal or whatever kind of journal you want to do. Okay. So we got that. These are beautiful. And this one's repeating. So I think I got 2 of this kit. You can get it from her Etsy shop that I will link down below in the comment section. Oh, I like these. I can't wait to use them. And they're also pretty. They're all full pages. I don't know what kind of paper it is. I will ask her to put it in the comment section when she watches this video. And these are on cardstock, which is pretty neat. So there's this one. This is the Green Flourish Junk Journal cover. And they're both covers, so we got that. So that is the end of this video. Thank you, Johnny, for my kits. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Stay kind, stay crafty, stay safe, And I will see you all on the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.